It's this week we're getting our palm tree.
We're getting rid of a palm tree.
Okay.
So if you guys want it, we're happy to give it to you for free and you guys can take it. I've got a photo of it if you want to see.
Really? That is so lovely.
A neighbour had this beautifully manicured palm tree in their front yard, but they want a pool, so they need to get rid of it.
They've decided to give us a beautiful palm.
Like a
Beautiful.
$5,000 tree.
This beauty will be front and centre in their 1950s Palm Springs-inspired front garden. But there's logistical issues galore. As Front Garden Week is a while away, first they needed permission from the other blockheads.
If you want the situation to go right, don't tell them all the facts. Just tell them the bits they want to hear, that the tree's going to die.
If we don't get it into our front yard now, the tree's going to die.
Mate, I love nature.
Yeah, it's a yes from
Don't
us.
kill a tree.
Yeah, of course, yeah.
And they all said yes. I don't know why, but they did.
And there's the cost. They'll need landscapers to dig the tree out of the neighbour's yard, a crane to lift it, and a truck to transport it.
So I went and met Ben at Kennard's.
Got your excavators all here with the tipper.
Look at this little
So
setup.
you can go and get your tree.
Hopefully. It sounds easy. It could turn to complete but let's hope it doesn't. It's Operation Palm Tree today, so we've got Jay and the JetCon lads have got the upstairs under control, so I don't need to really be up there. I can focus on the palm tree. Andrew Hoppo, our landscaper, he's doing the dig on site at the house in East Brighton.
Ooh. Actually, looked like it moved.
But I'm back at site, sort of prepping. Boom, where she's sitting. Getting everything ready for the tree to drop in. Yeah, I'll do the dig on the block.
Have a look at him, mate. Jack of all, master of none.
I feel at home on the excavator. It's pretty much my, a big part of my job as a plumber.
Another swimming pool.
The Palm's imminent arrival calls for a logistics chat between Dan, Jimmy and Mick from the Crane Hire Company.
What do you think? And bring it straight up through here?
Yeah.
Straight over?
We'll stand it up and then straight over the brick fence, mate.
Beautiful.
Cool. All right, sounds good.
like it's going to happen.
Does.
Yeah, we can give it a go.
Whoa. Yeah. Keep going.
Stop there.
So I got to tell you something really exciting.
What is it?
I named our tree.
You named the tree?
Yeah.
Why you got to name the tree?
Because it deserves a name. Darren Palmer.
Stop
Is that not so good?
That's ridiculous.
No, it's so funny. I can't wait to tell everybody.
I was going to stand out here in my undies watering it, but that's a bit weird now.
That's weird.
The hole's dug, the crane's booked, the tree even has a name, Darren Palmer.
Sitting in the palm tree.
Everything is going exactly to plan.
20 minutes later.
Hey, mate, how are ya?
Good. What's happening?
So we've dug a huge hole. We've found some gas mains.
The gas main, straight under the centre of the tree, bending through the root ball of the palm tree. Like,
Oh.
couldn't be in a worse spot, that gas
It's never
main,
easy, is it?
If we pull that tree over and it pulls the gas main, then we've got gas flying everywhere. It's a 40 mil main, so it's a lot of gas. It's a high pressure zone.
I know emergency call-out fee or whatever. You're looking at $1,000 minimum there.
Yeah, yeah.
Starting to sound like this.
It is. It might even be abort mission. We knew there was a gas main within the front yard somewhere, and I stupidly said, knowing our luck, it'll literally be through the centre of the tree.
Guess where it was?
Centre of the tree.
So plumber Jimmy and foreman Dan head out to inspect the troublesome gas main.
So obviously this gas main's causing a bit of grief here. So we're trying to sort of lever it which way, back and forth, and try and just release the roots around the pipe, just in case it comes back and pulls it up. Keep going, just slowly. Those roots are pretty strong, so I'll just try to keep knocking away at it. I don't know, give it one more wiggle.
It was touch and go there for a bit, but the Hopkins boys, they persevered.
I found the join. We'll give it one more wiggle and see. Whoa, keep going.
Luckily, literally the palm root ball stopped on top of the gas main. And the tree came out without disturbing the gas main whatsoever. So
It was a miracle.
it was a miracle.
Look at this.
Got it.
You got it.
Yeah.
Oh, so the roots didn't wrap it at all.
Nah. They weren't around it. Like, there was a couple we sort of cut, but the rest of them just went straight down each side and just...
How's your luck?
That is lucky.
Nice work, but after all that painstaking wiggling, it's too late to get the crane in today.
So the tree's out, crane comes in tomorrow, lifts it onto the truck.
Yep.
Truck and crane come here, hole's already dug, it's going to drop straight in.